Chapter on Fulfill Pledge is a part of religion. Narrated Ubada bin As-Samit, may Allah be pleased with him, who took part in the Battle of Badr and was a Naqib, a person heading a group of 6 persons. On the night of Al-Aqaba pledge, Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said while a group of his companions were around him, "Give me the bay'ah, pledge for not to join anything in worship along with Allah, not to steal, not to commit illegal sexual intercourse, not to kill your children, not to utter slander intentionally, forging falsehood, i.e., by making illegal children belonging to their husbands, or not to accuse an innocent person and to spread such an accusation among people, not to be disobedient when ordered to do ma'ruf, Islamic monotheism and all other good deeds." The Prophet, peace be upon him, added, "Whoever amongst you fulfills his pledge will be rewarded by Allah, the Mighty and Sublime. And whoever indulges in any one of these sins gets the punishment in this world. That punishment will be an expiation for that sin. And if one indulges in any of them, and Allah conceals his sin, it is up to him to forgive or punish him in the hereafter." Ubada bin As-Samit added, "So we gave the bay'ah for these points to Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him.